Whether you're at a five-star bistro or your aunt's kitchen, here's how to compliment the cook without sounding lame. Start strong. If you're truly blown away, look them in the eye and say, "You didn't warn me that your food was so addictive." Or really lean into the drama by declaring, "If I could marry a dish, this would be it." If you're trying to move in for the leftovers, just ask, "When can I move in? I want to eat this every day." For those high-stakes meals, tell them you need to go on MasterChef or drop a "This sets the bar too high. Now I can't try anyone else's version." If you're feeling humble, admit, "I think I would have burned down the kitchen if I tried to make this." Or let them know their hard work paid off by saying, "This really tastes like a labor of love." Need to keep it snappy for the gram? Comment, "There's nothing this dish can't solve." Or, "You bless my feed with your cooking." And if it's a total disaster, just smile and say, "I've never tried this before. Thank you for introducing me to it. Now go forth, eat well, and stay classy."